1 to 50,000 topography map of Sri Lanka. This is compulsory question in your O-level paper. Our lesson number 9. Okay, you write down the topic 1 to 50,000 topographic map of Sri Lanka. 1 to 50,000 topographic map of Sri Lanka. Grade 7, 8, 9, 10 also. You learned about this lesson. Some parts we discuss about this lesson. Last lesson, this is the last lesson for the O-level examination. 1 to 50,000 topography map of Sri Lanka. It was grade 8 already. Some relief features. Some relief features we discuss in grade 8. You should remember them also. These are also very important. I am not going to do them again. If you have any question, you ask. You write down the topic. 1 to 50,000 topographic map of Sri Lanka. Give me the exam lazy the mesare. Give me the exam lazy. Can you tell me your marks? Huh? Did you get your marks for geography? Sanet? Give me the. Yes, I did a mute to another game in I game in. I gave in. Sanet? Did you get your marks? Did you receive your mark? No answers. Why? උත්තර නෑ නිකාගෙන.
No, teacher.
No. Give me. It is better if you can on your video. If you can on your video and join to the class, it is better. It is better for you. Not for me. It is very important for you. Okay, 1 to 50,000 topography maps of Sri Lanka. This is a compulsory question in part 2. First question, part A. Second paper. First question, part A. 1 to 50,000 topography map of Sri Lanka. You can get 10 marks. You can get 10 marks. By answering this question, it is compulsory. As well as it is very easy. You write down the topic. Give me a 92. Very good. 92. 92, very good. Message quality. Okay. A map is very important to have a total study. Total study of the landscape of a particular area. You can already study about maps, basic features of metric maps and topographical maps and peripheral information of maps in grade 10. Can you remember them? Can you remember? We discuss about the peripheral information of a map. This is the model of 1 to 50,000 topography maps. You should know these information also here. In this line, you can see this outer borders. You can see here borders. In grade 10, we discuss about the peripheral information. We discuss about the peripheral information. What are the peripheral information mentioned in this map? On this map, what are the peripheral information? We discuss about them in grade 10. What are the peripheral information? Can you tell me example for peripheral information? What are the example for peripheral information? You have to tell on your video and give answers. Don't send messages. You tell me your answers. What are the example for peripheral informations? What are the example for peripheral information? On your mic can tell me. What are the peripheral information? What are the example for that? Sometime it may be in your part 1 paper also. You should know about this peripheral information because there's a very big lesson in grade 10 about these peripheral information. What are the example for peripheral information? No, not addition. Peripheral information. Information out of the map face. Map face again Peter Theoretica. Here map face. This area is called as map face. This area is called as map face. Can you see this one? Peripheral information. You can see here another 2 borders. These are called as peripheral information. We discuss about them in grade 10. Here upper margin of the outer border. This one lower margin of the outer border. Then this small line. You can see here a small strip here. It is called as inner border. This one inner border. Inner ni atulen thiyen. It is located inside. So it is called as inner border. This large one is located outside. So it is called as outer border. Can you understand? This one is called as outer border. This one inner border. These 2 borders. There are some information in these 2 borders. These are called as peripheral information. These informations are called as peripheral information. Here you can see A, B and C. මේ grade 10 ටික ඕන මේ මතක් කරන්නේ. grade 10 එකේ කරා කියලා ඔයගලගේ book එකේ තියෙන නිසා මම මේ මතක් කරේ. දැන් සමහර අය ඒවත් දන්නේ නැහැ වගේ ඉන්නවා. උත්තර දෙන්නෙත් නැහැ. You have to discuss. A, B, C. A, B, C. These are called as, what is they? What is the information mentioned here? A. Here you can see Sri Lanka 1 to 50,000 map. Here there's a name. Here you can see number. Then what are the information should be mentioned here? A, B, C. What are the information? A, B, C. A
Type of a map.
very good name of the
Type of the map.
name of the map. B. B. No. Here B name of the map. What is the A?
A type
A type of the map. A type of the map.
of the map.
Yes, a type of the map. Here you can see type of the map. Sri Lanka 1 to 50,000 map. This is the type of the map. Okay, then B.
Name of the map.
Name of the map. C.
Number of the map.
Number of the map. Number of the map. Then what are the other information that can be seen? Lower margin of the outer border. Here you can see some information. Scale, yes. Scale. Scale.
Key. Direction.
Direction. Key. Yes. Direction. Key. Here. I think.
Administrative boundaries.
Yes. Boundaries. I think you remember this chart. You learned about this. Peripheral information. There are two types. Upper margin of the outer border. Some information mentioned on the upper margin of the outer border. Upper margin of the outer border. Lower margin of the outer border. Some information mentioned here on the lower margin of the outer border. We discuss about the information that can be seen in upper margin. There are three type of information. Type of the map, name of the map, and number of the map. Here, lower margin of the outer border, what are the information? Now you told, what are the type of information? Huh?
Keys.
Yes. What are the information? Key, direction,
Scale.
scale,
Adjacent maps.
adjacent map, figure showing the adjacent map. Figure showing the adjacent map. The adjacent map showing, what is the adjacent map? Huh? The map located north side, west side, south side, east side, northeast, like that way. Then figure showing the administrative boundaries. Figure showing the administrative boundaries. What are the example for administrative boundaries? What are the example for administrative boundaries? Huh? What are the example for administrative boundaries?
Provincial boundary.
Very good. Provincial boundary. Tell me all the boundaries. District boundary. Huh? What are the type of boundaries? Administrative boundaries. What are district boundary, province boundary, Gram Niladhari division boundary, AGA division boundary. What are the type of boundaries? දැන් ඉතින් ටටක් ගාලා ඔය ටික කියන්න ඕනේ. ඉතින් බල ඉඳලා බෑනේ grade 10 වලදී ඉගෙන ගත්තානේ. You learned about these boundaries in grade 10. Province boundary, district boundary, AGA division, Gram Niladhari division, urban council limit, sanctuaries or forest reserves. These are the type of boundaries. What are the other information should be here? Huh? What are the other information? Samanado board එකේ තියෙන්න පුළුවන් information වර්ග. Huh? What are the other boundaries? Key, scale, direction. Key, scale, direction. Figure showing the adjacent map. Figure showing the directions. These are the information that should be mentioned here. දැන් මේව කාට හරි මග ඇරිලා තියෙද නෑනේ නේද? ඒව මතකයිනේ. We learned about them in grade 10. This is the model of one map sheet, but in exam you receive part of this type of map. මේ map එකක්ම හම්බ වෙනවද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට? No, you receive only one part, like this way. Part of this map. දැන් සමහර අයට මේ ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් එකට මේ වගේ map එකක් එන්නේ නැති. ආවද සමහර අයට? map එක දීලා answers ලියන්න එන්න ඇති. එතකොට what are the information on the map face? Map face එකේ තියෙන information මොනවාද? What are the information on map face? Huh? Map face here.
Physical and cultural features.
And cultural features. Physical features and cultural features. What are the example for physical features?
Forest, grasslands, rivers.
Mountains, valley, plateau, gaps, plain, lowland, highland, type of plains. These all are called as physical features. Cultural features. What are the example for cultural features? Huh? Roads, yes.
Boundaries.
Yes. Man-made, all the things. All the man-made things on the physical environment are called as man-made features or cultural features. Can you understand? Okay, we discuss about them also. අපි කතා කරලා තියෙන්නේ මම ඒ නිසා ආයෙ කරන්නේ නැහැ. Then scale එක අනිවාර්යෙන් මතක තියෙන්න ඕනි මේකෙන් question එකක් එනවාමයි. මොකක්ද එන question එක මේක? What is the type of question? What is the type of question that can be seen in your paper? What is the type of map?
Calculate the length of the road.
Yes, calculation of the length of the road or length of the rivers, like that way. Or you have to find the area. If you don't know this, you can't find the area or length in kilometers. You have to write the area in actual land. So you have to write the length or area in kilometers. So to write answer for that question, you should know about the scale. The scale and size of the 1 to 50,000 topographic maps. 1 centimeter represent 50,000 centimeter on land. Can you understand it? 1 to 50,000. 1 to 50,000. 1 centimeter on the map represent 50,000 centimeter. 50,000 centimeter means 500 kilometers. Can you understand? 50,000 centimeter means equal 500 meters. Can you understand? 500 meters mean half kilometer. Then 1 centimeter represent on the land half kilometer. Can you understand? That means 2 centimeter on the map represent 1 kilometer. This is the scale. You must remember this one. Then you can find the length or area of given region. Given square or given road, parts of road or parts of river. Can you find the area and length? Do you have any question regarding the scale? If you have any question, now you ask. Huh? Do you have any question? Huh? Do you have any question? සනෙත්ත කෙරුණාද ඔය ටික? සනෙත් තමයි හිටියේ නැත්තේනේ. සනෙත්ත කෙරුණාද ඔය කොටස්?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then here, the length and width of Sri Lanka, you know, length, what is the length from point Pedro to Dondrahead, 432 kilometer. Width from Colombo to Sangaman Kanda, 224 kilometer. Then here you can see, if we draw a one map sheet, one map sheet for Sri Lankan map. This is the size of metric map sheet. If we draw one map sheet, this is the size. 432 kilometer here with 224 kilometer. We have to take 864 centimeter. Here we have to take the length of this sheet 448 centimeter. That's mean 8.64 meter and 4.48 meter. Can we use such a large map? No, it is very difficult to bring it. We can't put in our bag. It is very difficult to use such a large map. So, Sri Lanka has been divided into 92 map sheets. Can you understand? Sometimes it may be a question in your part 1 paper also. How many map sheets are there? There are 92 map sheets. Sri Lanka has been divided into 92 map sheets due to this problem. We can't draw one map sheet. It is very difficult to use. So, it has been divided into 92 map sheets. Can you understand? If you have any question, you ask. Huh? I'm මොනවත් ලියන්න දෙන්නේ මේ මොකද මේව කරලා තියෙන්නේ මං චුට්ටක් මතක් කරනවා මේ ටික නැතුව ඉදිරියට යන්න බැරි නිසා ඔයාලට Sri Lanka has been divided into 92 map sheet like this way. Then you should know about the size of one map sheet. Each one part like this way, this part. Each part is known as a map sheet. This one is a map sheet. Before this, I show you map sheet. This one is called as map sheet. Here, map sheet. This one map sheet. But you receive part of a map sheet for the exam. Not a map sheet. You will be receive part of the map sheet. Like this way. This is a part of a map sheet. Here you can see the size of one map sheet. Look at this one. Length of one map sheet 80 centimeter. Width 50 centimeter. Length 80 centimeter. Width 50 centimeter. You must remember, sometimes this fact may be a question in your part 1 paper. Okay. Then what is the actual length of this map sheet? Actual length in land 40 kilometer. You always divide this centimeter length of 80 by 2. දෙකෙන් බෙදන්න හැම වෙලේම සෙන්ටිමීටර වලින් එන ගාන. විභාගෙදී අමතක වෙනවා ඕක. සමහර අය සෙන්ටිමීටර් 10ක් නම් ඕන් කිලෝමීටර් 10 කියලා. සෙන්ටිමීටර වලින් එන ගාන හැම වෙලේම දෙකෙන් බෙදලා එන එක තමයි ඕගොල්ලෝ දාන්න ඕනි කිලෝමීටර වලින් හොයන්න. ඇයි 1 to 50,000 centimeter. 1 to 50,000. එක සෙන්ටිමීටරයකින් කිලෝමීටර් භාගයයි පෙන්නන්නේ. නේද? 1 සෙන්ටිමීටර යන කිලෝමීටර් භාගය අපි මැප් එකේ සෙන්ටිමීටර් දෙකක් අඳිනවනේ. We must take 2 centimeter to show 1 kilometer. That is the reason. Oh. Do you have any question regarding this one? Here you should remember 80 centimeter length and 50 centimeter width of one map sheet. As well as you should remember the area of one map sheet. Do you know the area? Can you tell me the area of one map sheet? Map sheet, area of the map sheet. I ask here area of the map sheet. Can you tell me it? What is the area of a map sheet? What is the area of a map sheet? What is the area of map sheet? I asked about the map sheet, not actual land. Map sheet. Then you have to multiply these two, 80 centimeter and 50 centimeter. Then you can find the area of the map sheet. What is the answer? What is the answer? 4,000 square kilometer. Square centimeter. 4,000 square centimeter. You on your mic can give me answers. Otherwise, it is useless. On your mic can tell me answers. And on your video also. $40,400, not 40,000, 400 square centimeter. 400, not 40,000, 400. Here 8 by 4, 40. Here 0, here 0, 400, 4,000. 4,000 square kilometer. Here answer 4,000 square kilometer. What is the actual land area? Actual land area in square kilometers. You have to multiply these two. 40 kilometer and 25. What is the answer? What is the answer?
1,000 square kilometers.
Square kilometer. 1,000 square kilometer. දැන් මේකයි වැඩි කර කර ඉන්නවත් මොනවත් නෑ මතක තියාගන්න ඕනි මොකද්ද මැප් ඒරියා එකේ මැප් එකේ ඒරියා එක නම් කොච්චරද 4,000 square centimeter actual land area එකේ ඒරියා එක නම් කොච්චරද 1,000 square kilometer මේක 4,000 ආව නිසා 2,000 square kilometer කියලා දාන්න බෑ මොකද මේක ඒරියා එකක් area එකක් හොයද්දී අපි හැමවෙලේම length with kilometer කරගෙනම ඉන්න ඕනේ. නැත්තම් වැරදි එනාගේ This is example for a map sheet. Every map sheet has a name and number. This is example for that. Candy, name of the map sheet, number 54. Every map sheet has a name and number. We have discussed about them. This one is very important. You must know. Sometime there may be a question. Write the latitudinal and longitudinal value of the given place. Sometime you can see this kind of symbol. මෙන්න මේ symbol එක දාලා තියෙනවා map එකේ තැන. දාලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කියනවා write the latitudinal and longitudinal value. එතන මේ මෙතන value එක තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන්න ඕනේ. ඔය value එක කියන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ හරියට ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මතක තියෙන්න ඕනි මේ absolute location එක. absolute location එකේ මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ මොකක්ද දන්නවද? west side ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ location එක. මොන latitudes වලද මොන longitudes වලද ශ්‍රී ලංකාව තියෙන කියලා මතක තියාගන්න. You should remember which longitudes and which latitudes Sri Lanka is located. North, latitudes and east longitudes. You must remember it. Sri Lanka is located between 5 degrees and 55 minutes to 9 degrees and 51 minutes north latitudes to latitudes and 79 degrees, here should be degrees, and 42 minutes, here should be minutes. This is the symbol. Here should be degrees, here should be minutes. 79 degrees and 41 minutes to 81 degrees and 52 minutes east longitudes. මේක මතක නැති වුණොත් මේ north east කියන එක මතක නැති වුණොත් මේකට ලකුණු හම්බෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද පේපර් එකේ නැහැ. It has not mentioned in your paper. North or east. You have to write down. Otherwise, you can't take marks for this question. This one also compulsory. උංග වෙලාවට papers වල මේක එනවා. ඒවා මොන හරි ගැටලු තියෙද? Do you have any question? Huh? Do you have any question? නෑ නේද? මොනවත් ගැටලු නෑ නේද? Okay. Then we have to discuss about the physical features of 1 to 50,000 topographic maps. Under this topic, we are going to discuss about the relief features, drainage, coastal features, and natural features. We are going to discuss about the relief features, drainage features, coastal features, and natural vegetations. මෙතන මොන හරි ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවද? Do you have any question regarding to this one? මොන හරි ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවද? grade 10 වලදී අපි ඕවා ඉගෙන ගත්තා. හිටියේ නැති අයට තමයි ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා නම් ඇත්තේ. මෙන්න මේ symbol එක තමයි ඒකේ එන්නේ map වල. The place where latitudes and longitudes intersects is marked by the symbol of this one on the map face. When the absolute location of a certain place in Sri Lanka is shown, it should be expressed in north latitudes and east longitudes. Map එකේ මේ වගේ තැනක location එක ලියන්න කිව්වොත් මොකද කරන්න ඕනේ? You must write north latitudes and east longitude value එක ලියන ගමන්ම north latitudes and east longitudes. You have to write down these two words, otherwise you can't get marks. We discuss about the metric map coordinations also. This information also you should remember. The topography maps. The topography maps